Dai, this is so pretty. Nag-iiwan talaga siya ng tint. Rosy cheeks ka. You look so pretty. Ang lakas maka-fresh. Hi guys! For today's video, umaatikabong lip swatch tayo. And you guys, ang lip swatch natin ay products from Better Cosmetics. And they're fairly new in the industry, pero I am telling you na napaka-promising ng products nila. They provide products with skin-loving ingredients, cruelty-free, safe, and gentle formula. And aside from that, yung products nila ay paraben-free, vegan, and non-toxic. So I have two types of product that I'll be doing a lip swatch. The first one is yung kanilang lip care treatment oil. And hindi to basta-basta lippy, you guys. This is a treatment for your lips. Meron siyang jojoba oil, organic nyamplung oil, and vitamin E. And you guys, itong nyamplung oil, this is an oil that prevents premature aging. So alam mo yun, this is a lip care, and bonus na lang na meron siyang bonggang-bonggang pigment. It's lightweight and non-sticky. The next product you guys ipapakita ko is yung Better Cosmetics Lip Balm. First of all, it's infused with plant oils that protects and moisturize and soothes dry lips. And meron din siyang bonus na tint na quite long-lasting. Plus, you guys, lahat ng products ng Better Cosmetics is FDA approved. Now, these products were sent to me to try, pero syempre ba, tingnan ko muna ano yung meron sa kanya. Alright, let's do this. Umpisa natin sa tinted lip care treatment oil. Look at the packaging, you guys. Really, really cute and chic. And when you open it, cute! Look at all these pretty shades. I'm excited. So, unahin natin sa parang mala orangey tones. I'm not sure. First shade, we have Clarity. Shake it well muna daw. It smells so good. It kind of tastes good too. Formula-wise, it has a thin formula. It is lightweight, but you can still feel it. Pero hindi parang heavy feeling. It's like you can feel the oil, the treatment oil, but it's not bothering naman. Ang ganda ng sheen. I was not expecting it to be like this pigmented. Kala ko sheer lang siya, pero dye, may pigment siya dye. Anyway, this is the shade Clarity. Oh my god, guys. Nag-iwan siya ng tint. Oh, I love this. Yes. Next shade, we have Warmth. And this is what Warmth looks like. So guys, ito si Clarity. Clarity is more on like a burnt orange type. Etong si Warm, it's like more on the brownie, pero meron pa ring hint of burnt orange, pero mas ma-brown. Pero both are really nice colors. And this is Warmth on my lips. Sa unang tingin, parang hawig siya na Clarity, pero this is really more on the brownie side. Si Clarity more on like the burnt orange, if you know what I mean. But if you're to ask me Clarity or Warmth, I'll definitely go for Warmth. Kasi if you know me, medyo tapos na ako sa phase ng pagiging obsessed with burnt oranges. So yeah, this is Warmth. Dang. Nag-iiwan talaga siya ng tint. Oh my god. Now let's go to the pinkies. First one, we have Kindness. Oh. Dai, this is so pretty. Oh my god. Dai, you should get this. Wala na ako ibang ichishika kundi go get this. Ang ganda niya. Ang lakas maka-fresh. Ang lakas maka-pretty. Alam mo yun? Kindness is such a very kind shade. I love it. I really love it. I feel so pretty wearing it. So yeah guys, this is Kindness. Next shade is called In Love, and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, you guys. This is In Love, and nakaka-in love yung shade. It's like a deep mauvey pink. It's not red. It's not like super bright pink. I love it. I really love it. Ganda, diba? I'm sorry guys, medyo na-wash out yung ibang swatches because I'm so malikot. This is Kindness and this one is In Love. Very deep itong si In Love. Way deeper than Kindness. So yeah, this is the shade In Love. And last but definitely not the least, we have the shade Embrace. And this is what it looks like. I die. I think this is like the red entry, pero hindi siya like super red. Ito siya beside the three pinks. It's like red, pero meron pa rin siyang pinky undertone. So hindi siya yung parang Snow White red, hindi rin siya parang kontrabida red. It's a very kind red. So I think this is perfect para dun sa mga intimidated by the red lipstick. Pero I feel like it's also pink. Like a very deep pink, bordering red. Anyway, this is the shade Embrace. So those are the lip treatment oil, you guys. And may I just remind you, these are not like long-lasting on the lips. These are like glosses, lip glosses. So pag kumain ka, pag uminom ka, mababawasan at mababawasan siya. But the good thing is, nag-iiwan nga siya ng tint. Lalo na, the longer it stays on your lips, the more na magiging super pigmented yung tint na iiwan niya. Now, let's move on to the lip balms. Ngayon guys, I feel like this is just like the treatment oil, pero ang pinagkaiba is nasa lip balm siya. So if you're not into like lip glosses, pero you're into like lip balms, these are perfect for you. It comes in 5 shades. Ngayon, bibilisan ko yung pagsaswatch kasi dahil nakiiwan nga siya ng tint. Let's start with the shade Empowered. Sorry, na-swatch ko na siya. So, si Empowered, medyo burnt orange din ang dating. Para siyang si Clarity doon sa lip oil, in my opinion. So, yeah, this is the shade Empowered. Now, let's go with the shade Independent. Now, si Independent is like the perfect your lips, but better. It has a little bit hint of red and a little bit of brown. Next, we have the shade Influential. Guys, eto yung lip tint red, if you know what I mean. Imagine nyo ba? Yung usual na itsura kapag ka naglalagay tayo ng lip tint, this is it. And it's nice. It looks really fresh. And then we have the shade Motivated. It looks kind of similar with the Influential, pero I feel like this is a little bit deeper. More on the pinkier side rather than the red, but I also kind of like it. It also kind of gives the lip tint vibe. And last but not the least is the shade Determined. And you guys, ito yung legit na parang magic lipstick. As you can see, yellow siya on the pan, pero pag ginamit mo, pag nag-warm up, ayan, look, pag nag-warm up sa fingers mo, instant pink. And in my opinion, this is the most long-lasting out of all the shades. You can wear it on its own, or pwede mo siyang gawing base and then saka mo patungan ng lipstick or lip gloss or liquid lipstick. Ayun tayo, legit magic lipstick vibes. Ang nakakatakot lang dito, be careful kasi lahat ng didikitan niya, instant stains. What I love about these products, you guys, lip balm siya, yes, pero you can also use it on your cheeks. Wala naman sinabi you can use it on your cheeks. I'm not sure, but I did it. I used them. Lalo na itong si Determined, I used it today, and I kid you not, these are not gonna last like super long on your lips. It's gonna leave a stain. It's gonna moisturize your lips, yes, pero pag kumain ka, mawawala at mawawala siya. Pero if you use them as blush, die the whole day. Rosy cheeks ka, you look so pretty the whole day. Long-lasting siya as a blush more than as a lip balm. Kasi nga, the lip balm. So yeah, this is the shade Determined. Wait, let me do something. Parang gusto ko mag-ombre. Perfect. Alright, so yun na lahat ng ating lip swatch, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo the same way I did. It was so much fun lip swatching these products. And I do recommend them, you guys. Lalo na if you're tired of the old school lippy formula. Kung sawa ka na mag-lipstick, sawa ka na mag-liquid lipstick na wala naman nagagawa sa lips mo, dry na yung lips mo. Kasi minamarket naman nila to as a lip care more than a cosmetic product, if you know what I mean. So kung gusto mo magkaroon ng tint yung lips mo, but at the same time na moisturize yung lips mo, go for this brand, Better Cosmetics. So I will link everything down below in case you're interested, but yeah, please do check them out. Anyway, again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!